everyone. My name's Kashius and I'm 3 years old. I'm riding my snowmobile. It's called an Arctic Cat. Look at I'm standing on my seat. Going off on a snowmobile adventure. Snowmobiling is so much fun. I just need my snowmobile to go a little bit faster because it's not fast enough for me. I'm holding the Insta360 camera here. Look at me going up this big hill. At the top, I turned around all by myself. Now I'm going back down the hill. This part was like bumpy, like off-roading. Bump, 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 bump. Sometimes it feels like going over rollers. Race time! Uh-oh, my sled is not going fast enough. Working on turning side to side. Left, right, left, right. Look at me, I'm driving this with one hand. It was kind of hard to drive with one hand. Almost smashed into a camera. Thanks for watching. Bye.